Good morning, friends, and welcome to Rocky Mountain Gardens, especially if you're newly stopping by for the first time. I just want to take this chance to say thank you and Merry Christmas to all my subscribers and encourage you to subscribe if you enjoy this video today. Well, let's get on to our topic for the day, which is my front porch. So I have decorated for this season, and I enjoy when people come to my house, they get to see something pretty on my front porch as they enter. And I wanted to ask you how the weather's been where you are, because last week we got 8 inches and I got out my snow blower for the first time and used it to clear off the driveway and the sidewalk and so on. And it worked pretty good, actually. So when we take a look at my porch outside, you'll see the snow still on the ground. It hasn't all melted yet. And of course, we needed the moisture in Colorado. We always do. We can never say no to any kind of precipitation. Without further ado, let's go ahead and step outside. As you walk up to my front porch, you can see this cute sign. It's the most wonderful time of the year that my cousin that I've talked about, Linda and Jerry, they gave that to me when they came to visit, I believe. And there's some wires which are kind of ugly, but they do not show up at night, which is wonderful. And guys, if you stay tuned to this video till the end, you'll be able to see that I have added a look at my porch at night with all the lights on and so on. Now here is my Santa. I got him from Costco about, I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 years ago. He's been in my house and outside on the porch different years, depending on how I'm decorating, I guess. But he is such a jolly old fellow here. Isn't he handsome? And the kids just love it when they walk up to the door and see him. It's almost like he's a real Santa sitting on my porch. And then I have this large bouquet here on my stool. Right there, you can see it, one that I painted and got thrifting, of course. And I have lots of things in this bouquet, including the joy sign and a candy cane that I got thrifting. Isn't it cute? So this is a very welcoming scene when you come up to my front door. Now over here I have a Christmas welcome mat with a Mary sign and another red truck welcome sign over here on my false door that I have on the wall. And if we take a look over here at my seating area, you can tell that I've got my Christmas pillows out and little things to decorate, like that snowman. Over here on the table between my 2 rocking chairs is a very cute little teddy toy soldier sitting down there. And on top, I have my ice cream bucket filled with lots of greenery and red berries, this pretty silver bow, and a silver ornament stuck right into the middle of the bouquet. On this chair, I have a blankie that's available for anybody who chooses to sit out here in the winter time. And there's my cute snowman that I also got from Costco a few years ago, and he makes an appearance in different places around my home during the season. Here's my red truck with the Merry and Bright little sign. And I have a really awesome birdhouse here that fits the season quite well, along with a small little Santa. Isn't he a cutie? So I'll give you an overall look here at the porch. Looking here toward this area. Sometimes I wish my porch was a little bit bigger, that I could put more things out on display. You know how I'm a maximalist in my decorating, pretty much everywhere, indoors and out. So there's Santa again, and let's say goodbye to him. Bye, Santa. And thank you guys for stopping by. And don't forget to hang in there with me as I wait for the sun to set so I can do some outdoor shots for you too. Here's a view of my candy canes with the Holy Family in Bethlehem there on the right and in the background. And I just got this Holy Family this year. There they are, Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus. And I really am enjoying having this in my front yard so that I can remember why we celebrate this holiday. Here's an overview of my porch now. And I always use colored lights. I love them, and they remind me of my childhood. You can see the wreath that is hanging on my window there, and to the right there's a slight glimpse of my Christmas tree on that side of my living room area. So friends, I would like to say thank you for stopping by and joining me as we take a look at my porch. And I'll see you in the next video. Should be coming up before Christmas Day. And guys, I really appreciate each and every one of you and all of you who have subscribed to my channel. So this is Mary saying thank you and Merry Christmas and much love to all of my YouTube friends. Till the next time, bye for now.